Yeah. I missed 550. I know. But if GFRE does what I think it can do, and what I've thought it can do for quite some time, then the difference in the 50 cents won't make a difference for me. The trading range on this one could be really big if it takes off. Analyst coverage is predicting $10 a share. Short squeeze could send it up there in a matter of days. Who knows? It's just going to depend. It could take a month. It could take a week. No way to predict, but looks like we've got good support now at the 550 range. Double bottom will hopefully hold. Double bottom means it made a bottom here and it made a bottom here. Okay, so it rose on the analyst coverage, pulled back on some number issues. Those have been resolved. It's turning back up. The short position on this one is still huge. People probably re-added right here, re-shorted right here. So there's a chance that my timing on this one could be perfect. I'm hoping anyways. I think it blows through the $7 range when it gets going eventually. Possibly slows at the $8 range. But I wouldn't be surprised if it's back up in the $9 range in the short term. So this will be, something that I probably hold for a little bit longer than normally, but we'll see. The analyst coverage is predicting $10 a share. I'm not sure that I'll make it that long, but I'm looking, like I said, for more than 10% on this one. I have 3,000 shares. I'll pick up more probably tomorrow, depending on how it continues to trade. You can see that it's got 2 bullish volume days in a row, and it's making higher, volume. It's recording higher volume, I should say, at higher prices, and that's always a good sign. So we want to see this continue to grow, and as that happens, the shorts will get, more nervous, just like LOCM, and eventually at some point there'll be a massive, cover, and if that takes place, it'll jump into that $9 range real quick, which is where I'll sell. So, GFRE, this is one I put out on watch right here. I said I'd pick it up in the low $6 range. It slid through that $6 range pretty quickly, so I became shy. It slid even further the next day, so I moved it down my watch list, and then it made the double bottom, and I missed the spike. Due to some, errors, it's pulled back, but now I think we're going to see a repeat of this, but multiple candles like that here, and I think it could just continue right up. So, take it for what it is. We'll play it by ear. If you're new to trading, identifying support is just a matter of looking at previous resistance, okay, or previous lows. So this is what I thought would be support right here initially. See that 625 range? This previous low, after it went up, I figured it would stop there, but it didn't. And when it slid down through it right here, I got concerned. You can see that it eventually bottomed out right there. Okay, from previous resistance back in 2009. So once a resistance is broken, it becomes support. All right, a perfect example of that is this stock charges up, pulls back, charges up, pulls back, but then eventually breaks it. And on the next pullback, it holds higher than that price action. So again, stock charges up, pulls back, makes its high right here. Goes up again a little bit lower, pulls back, reloads, and takes off. When it retreats, it holds the top of that price action. That essentially becomes support. And that's what we found again. We've kind of found that area. All right, so this one, again, has a huge short interest. It has a small market cap, 200 million shares. So, I'm sorry, 200 million shares. Oh boy, it's late. And I've got a lot to do still. It has a $200 million market cap, roughly. So it can move quickly if it gets going. All right, take it easy. Hopefully we'll all cash in big on GFRE or anybody who's trading it anyways. Catch you guys tomorrow.